everyone, welcome back to our channel, and our property for today is this beautiful modern Scandinavian design corner lot home, furnished with dipping pool and located in one of the sought after subdivisions here in Angeles City. If you find it pretty on the outside, wait till you see the inside. So please stay tuned, and please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blooming Properties, Pampanga. Let's start with our facade. This is a Scandinavian design home, so more on brown. Yung palette natin, brown, beige, white. May mga hint lang tayo ng black, pero hindi sila gaano ka-visible, no? When it comes pagka Scandinavian yung design natin. So mapapansin niyo yung colors. Look at the gate. Very clean, very parang feminine ba yung touch niya. The lot area is 165 square meters. This is a corner lot. At ang floor area natin is 240 square meters. Nandito ako sa side because I want to show you this alley. Isa to sa mga feature or highlight ng property because, you know, ang corner lot kasi, so that is your property, no? Tapos, some kasi mga corner lot, dinadaanan yan sa side ng mga sasakyan, diba? But this one, you have this alley na hindi to dadaanan ng sasakyan. Mga bikes, e-bikes or motorbikes lang yung mga makakadaan dito. That's why it's perfect to have your fence na kahit hindi siya fully covered. Kung mapapansin nyo, metal fence tayo, metal railing, at kitang-kita yung side ng property. Sobrang aliwalas tignan. You also have your side gate here. Diba? That is so nice kasi this side, this is typically this can be your play area. No, pwede ka rin ditong, you can play here, play badminton, so you can use this alley. No, depende sa yung liking. You have your landscape or your simple landscaping sa side. From here, makikita mo rin yung accent sa side natin. Makita mo yung chandelier, makita mo yung balcony. So from your view ngayon, nakapansin nyo na kung ano yung ganda ng structural design natin, kung paano yung design ng ating property. Ang ganda-ganda niya sa labas, mas maganda siya sa loob. Kaya, pasok na tayo. Pagpasok mo, this is your service gate, your entrance gate. You have a pocket garden. You can add more plants. Meron kang window dito. So, this is your living area. You have a view of your garden. Elevated porch, and it's wide. The community po, this is flood-free. But, you know, mas maganda kasing tignan sa mga properties yung elevated siya. It has a grand, you know, view, mas magandang tingnan sa property. And also, look at that. Mas na-maximize mo yung architectural design. So, wide porch, elevated, and ito pa yung gusto ko sa property na to. You have a cantilever garage. When you say cantilever garage, mapapansin mo na sa mga ibang mga parking, mayroon kang beam dito, or you have a vertical support magkabila. But this one, wala ka. So, pagpasok mo, sobrang clean mong makikita your carport to your landscape garden. Because walang nakaharang dito na poste. So, that's a cantilever design na garage. Two car parking. Manual yung gate natin. It has the same design as your fence. And, kung mapapansin nyo dito sa side na to, dito yung sa alley natin. And meron ka pang space here. You can add, this can be your drying area, but you can add more plants if you want. Nandito yung gate kanina. If you don't want pebbles, pwede ka maglagay ng artificial grass, or you can add real grass. And this is where you will appreciate yung yung alley mo, because, you know, hindi siya maingay. Hindi na ma-appreciate yung alley ninyo. Alright? Doon, sa part na yon, that goes to your pool area. Pero papakita ko na yun mamaya kasi excited ko na pakita sa loob. Okay, before we go there, just want to show you ang yung groove lines ng yung accent wall here, lime wash finish wall. And then meron kang tiles dito. So it's not just a plain painted wall. Meron kang mga tiles from floor to ceiling. Your floor tiles naman, meron kang your flooring pala, you have tiles and also you have pebble wash para hindi madulas. Your ceiling, meron kang mga spotlights and wood accent. Akyat tayo. And this is your solid door. And as you can see, yung size niya, malaki po yung size ng ating door at mataas. And let's not forget to mention yung ating wood accent sa ating ceiling. And of course, yung mga tiles natin dito sa ating wall. Pasok na tayo. This home is furnished. And yung mga furniture na makikita nyo, these are custom made. So mapapansin nyo na matchy-matchy sila. At pagpasok mo, maluwang ang iyong receiving area. And few steps, nandito na ang iyong living area. So these are all custom made. And if you want, dahil maluwang pa yung sa receiving area mo, pwede ka pang magpalaki ng sofa set. If you want, di ba? Kung gusto mo mas malaki, or you can add console here, pwede kang mag-add. But, ayun. This is your living area. Your accent wall, kung mapapansin nyo, buong wall natin, we have fluted panel and we have your accent board for your TV console. Ayan. Mapapansin nyo, bakit ganyan? Sample thing na, ganyan lang kalaki yung for the TV, no? Yan yung part na, kasi di ba, pag dinagyan mo yan tinakpan mo lahat siya ng accent board, pag maglalagay ka ng TV, bubutasan mo pa siya. So, yan, naka-prepare na siya. So, you can mount your TV there. Kung hindi naman, even if nakatayo siya dito, matatakpan pa rin naman yung butas na yan. Hanging drawers. Very nice. Alam mo, ayokong apakan kasi puti. Ang ganda ng chandelier natin. You have your drop light, cove lights, and you also have a view of your garden. So this is your living area. Ganda. Lahat ng nakikita niyo, even yung mga displays natin, kasama po yan. Meron kang mirror dito. So dito yung parang breaker board natin eh. Ginawan nila ng accent para, di ba? Maganda na siya, hindi pa kita yung board natin. Ganito siya kaluwang. And it's so nice. Since nandito ako, sige, unahin na natin yung ating formal kitchen. At nakita nyo, nandito ang ating nook. Meron na rin tayong stool. At kung napansin niyo yung fabric ng ating mga stool, same as your fabric sa yung living area. It's really custom made. You have a mirror. So nice. May mga drawers ka dito. May pull-out ka. Cabinets, modular cabinets, roof, cooktop, and your range hood. Your splashboard. Madaling linisan yan. Tiles po yan. Double bowl stainless steel sink. Provision for your microwave. And this, kung ayaw nyo yung mga decorations, you want to add your condiments dyan, pwede naman. But you have a condiment pull-out. So, this is perfect. And you don't just have one, but you have two. Meron ka pa dito. You have two condiment pull-out. Pagdating mo dito, this is your provision for your refrigerator. Malaki yan. Even side-by-side refrigerator, pwede dyan. Meron ka pang mga shelves dyan. And this is for your dispenser. So this is for your water dispenser. Or kung ayaw mo naman, kung you don't like a water dispenser, pwede mong, you can put your trash bin here. Diba? At least hindi siya kita. Nakasulok siya. Okay, what else? Look at your ceiling. You have spotlights with fluted panels. And ang cute, kung mapapansin nyo, yung black sa mga accent natin, nagpa-pop out talaga siya. Nagpa-pop up talaga siya dahil sa brown na color natin, white, and then, ayan, tignan mo yung pendant light natin, yung mga drop light natin. Kitang-kita siya, na-emphasize siya dahil sa kanyang black color. Okay. Next, here. Dito na ang iyong dining area. Lahat yan sa inyo na. So, everything you see, this goes with the property. Everything you see, these are all included. And kung mapapansin nyo again, yung stool natin sa ating nook, yung ating living area sofa and yung mga dining set natin, they have the same fabric. So, matchy-matchy po siya, custom made. So nice. Aircon and lime wash finish with groove lines yung ating accent wall. This is accent board actually. So cool. Meron kang dalawang full body mirror for your accent. And hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo, but from your dining area, you have a view sa yung pool area. So this is your pool area. It's a dipping pool. So kung gusto mo buksan, hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo. Pero if you want to open, pwede mo siyang buksan para makita nyo yung inyong pool area. Dipping pool siya. So, it's really made for relaxation talaga, guys. Ito yung door going to your pool area. Ay, ang ganda pala pag from here ka maggagaling. Kasi I checked the pool kanina from the outside. Ang ganda pala kapag galing ka sa loob. So, ito daw, meron pang ilalagay ng mga stones dito. So, labas na tayo, sige, para makita nyo. Maglalagay pa ng mga stones dito. And, meron ka pang mga plants here, landscape. Yan. May waterfalls yan. Hindi pa lang naka-on. But, yep. Sa side na to, kung naalala nyo yung door dun sa ating, or siguro dun tayo dumaan, or dun lang tayo pumasok later. Paglabas nyo, you have your shower area. Meron kang half bath dito. Wala pa lang siyang ilaw. This is your dirty kitchen. Kasi this is your formal kitchen pagpasok nyo. Your dirty kitchen. You have your laundry area. May sink ka rin dito. You have your pool pump. And na-mention ni architect kanina that maglalagay pa ng bubong dito, guys. So, meron pang ilalagay na bubong dito. Ito yung daan kanina. Kung naalala nyo, this is your alley sa likod. And this is your simple garden. You can make this your garden. Meron ka mga may mga pebbles ka dito. Tapos na-mention din ni architect that if you want to add like a water pump, because this is for your pool pump. But if you want to add a tank for your water pump, meron nang nakaabang dito. So naka-ready na siya just in case that you want to add that. Nandito na siya. Naka-prepare na yung mga tubo. Alright. So, this door. So, may mga cabinets tayo dito. Tatakpan pa po yan. This door goes to your formal kitchen. Let's go. Yan. This is your formal kitchen. Diba? So, saktong-sakto siya. Formal kitchen, dirty kitchen. Sobrang spacious pa dito. And, before tayo umakyat, meron kang bedroom sa yung ground floor. So, step down tayo ng isa. And this is your guest room. This can be your guest room, or if ayaw mo sa taas, pwede ka dito mag-room. This can also be an office, kaya wala siyang bed because versatile siya. This can also be playroom. Pwede rin naman siyang office or gym. Pwede rin. You have your cabinet. Drawers, and sliding. Meron pa rin sa taas. Aircon is included. And dito, you have a view of yung iyong side gate. Paglabas natin, nandito po ang inyong full bath sa baba. Pagbaba, you have undermount sink. You have your vanity mirror, vanity cabinet. May task light ka rin dito. Again, undermount sink, may drawer. Of course, your toilet. And this side, wala pa tayong masyadong ilaw. But this side is your shower area. Okay. Paglabas mo, to my right, meron ka makikitang space dito. This side, under your stairwell, pwede mo yang lagyan ng cabinet. Or pwede rin yang space for your fur babies. Dahil sobrang spacious yung yung under your stairwell. Pero kung ito pull out, maraming shoes kang malalagay dito. Or cover mo siya for your big boxes, pwede rin siya. And here, as you can see, we have a frameless tempered glass railing. sa iyong stairwell. At ang pretty na mga step lights natin. Ito pa yung natutuwa ako pag nandito ka. It's such a view. Yung stairwell mo with light, and then you'll see your chandelier. Tapos yung wide window mo na nag-reflect yung chandelier mo. I like yung mga steps kasi hindi sila maliliit yung hakbang ba. Wide landing, and ang ganda ng view ko dito. Diba? Nakikita nyo ba yung chandelier natin? And can you see your wide window? Doon sa side, doon sa may alley, lilitaw siya na para siyang naka-frame yung ilaw, pero hindi kita yung dito sa loob. So, accent siya sa labas. If you don't want that, pwede mo naman tong i-cover ng curtain or blinds. But, very nice siya kasi aesthetic talaga siya pagdating sa labas. You have this plant. Ang ganda naman nitong ating, this is your simple ornament here. That's included. Tapos, napaka-classy ng ating tempered glass, frameless railing. Tinutumbok nito, you have a console here. So, may mga artwork tayo dyan. And then, ang perfect lang niya kasi hindi siya, dahil lime wash yung ating wall, cement finish wall, hindi siya cluttered tignan. Kasi may plain wall ka and then you have your console. This is your family area. And TV rack. Ayokong apakan yung carpet. Paano ako titira dito? Hindi ko aapakan yung mga carpet. Kasi sobrang linis talagang tignan pag Scandinavian. Dahil, alam mo yun, sobrang classy, elegant, cozy. You have 2 reclining chairs. Tapos meron kang center table. Very cozy. Kung gusto mong manood ng movie dyan, perfect. Mount your TV here. Pwede mo rin ipatong. May shelves ka dyan. And then, ang ganda kasi parang parang entertainment room. Kasi meron ka pa mga spotlights. You have your track lights or your spotlights. Meron kang wall, you have a plain painted wall there. At nakatapat doon yung isang spotlight. You can add an accent. You can add a painting or anything doon sa side na yon para ma-emphasize nung iyong spotlight. Also, this is where your balcony is. Cuteness. Ito yung iyong balcony. At ang ganda niya dahil tignan mo naman yung iyong wall. Hindi lang siya plain painted wall, meron kang wood design. May halaman, you can add, or pwede kang, alam mo yun, pag nanonood ka, pwede mo na lang buksan to. Tapos sobrang presko. Pwede ka rin mag-add dito ng coffee table if you want. Or this can also be your view deck. And very quiet yung subdivision natin, kaya it's one of the sought-after subdivisions talaga here in Angeles City. Okay, pagpasok natin, this is your first bedroom sa yung second floor. Queen size bed. Kung mapapansin nyo, queen size na yung bed natin, pero spacious pa yung both sides niya. So, ganoon po kaluwang yung ating room. You also have your corner window here. This is a fixed window. Floor to ceiling yung ating glass dyan. Window. Center light. At meron siyang sarili niyang balcony. So this is another balcony. Since this is a corner, ito yung pinaka-corner. Mapapansin nyo naman here. Ang ganda nung glass sa corner. And then, balcony. L-type yung ating, L-shape yung ating balcony, L-shape. At sa side, you have a view of your alley. At ang sa likod naman, kita mo dito yung iyong garden dun sa side. Dun sa may side gate. Wood accent sa yung wall. Sa yung ceiling, meron kang mga spotlights, wood design sa yung ceiling, and you also have there your CCTV. Pasok tayo ulit. Bago tayo lumipat sa susunod na room. So this is where you put your TV. Tara muna natin dito. And I'll show you have your built-in cabinet. Katulad nung sa baba, hang door, and you also have your sliding door. From there, mapapansin nyo maluwang pa dito. Pwede kang mag-add ng dresser, study table, ample space, hindi patatama yung door. Ganun siya kaluwang. So this is your first bedroom. Next. So across your first bedroom, this is your common bathroom. Full bath at very spacious siya. So this is your sink. You have your vanity mirror. May task light din yan. Undermount sink. You have drawer, fluted panels. You have cove lights. Mapapansin nyo yung toilet natin, magkabila. You can put hamper. You can put, may trash bin ka. Tempered glass partition na mataas. Ang cut. Perfect. Floor to ceiling tiles. Stainless steel shower set. At spacious na shower area. Pansinin nyo yung dito, di ba? Sobrang luwang niya. And I like yung ating floor tiles. Yung floor tiles natin, I don't know, very classy yung ganitong, para siyang pebbles, pero tiles siya. Ganda. So nice. Also, mention ko lang yung ating floor. Yung mga tiles natin, mapapansin nyo, wood planks ang design ng ating mga tiles. Para mas cozy. Or pag Scandinavian, marami tayong mga wood design na ganyan. Alright? You have an accent wall or accent mirror bago ka pumunta sa yung next bedroom. Okay. Itong bedroom mo na to, mapapansin nyo, spacious siya talaga. Dito, hindi pa nakita yung that side, but from here, queen size bed. You have a wide window. And apart from that, may door ka dito because you also have your balcony. Meron ka pang intimate balcony dito. So this balcony, meron kang view ng yung pool area. And this is sharing sa iyong master bedroom. So this door, this is your master bedroom. And I'll show you that later. At kung mapapansin mo yung ceiling, extended siya. So kung halimbawa umuulan, hindi ka basta-basta mababasa dito. See, it's extended. Wood accent. Tapos hindi nakasindi lahat ng ilaw. Pero yan, may ilaw pa tayo dyan. Hindi pa lang nasindi. Alright. From there, tignan nyo naman yung space dito. Diba? Pwede kang maglagay ng side table. Or, you know, lamp. Pwede rin. This is where you put your TV. And you have your space here. Oh. You can put a dresser or your vanity mirror, study table. Dahil hindi naman niya tatamaan ng yung cabinet since it's sliding. Diba? So you can put it here. Sobrang spacious niya. Alam mo yung single bed, kasya nga dito eh. So nice. Pwede ka pang oh, their aircon is there. So, aircon is included. And then you have your center light. Ang cute pa ng mga lights natin, COB lights, mga spotlights yan. Kaya pag mapapansin nyo, kahit saan ka pumunta sa property, hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo sa videos, but Instagrammable talaga lahat. When we're taking photos, ang ganda talaga ng lighting. Sobrang ganda. Okay. Bago tayo pumunta sa ating master bed, oh, see? Ang ganda, di ba? Paano gusto ko mag-recap dito? Ang ganda! So, dito pa lang napaka-relaxing na. But, of course, last natin pupuntahan ng ating master bedroom. Dito siya. Oh, ang ganda! Okay, dito ako banda. Because I want to show you your... Ay, ito pala! Tignan mo to. They call this uplighting. Uplighting, parang nag-shadow lang siya. Alam mo yung, hindi siya direct yung ilaw niya. Talagang accent siya. Pareho siya nung doon sa taas ng TV console natin. So they have this, we call that uplighting. Para lang magbigay ng accent and emphasis na, kung papapansin mo, hindi naman siya, pwede namang wala. But, pag meron siya, it gives a huge difference or a huge impact. Diba? King size bed or queen size bed. And then, this can be your study table. Pwede rin siyang vanity or your makeup corner dito. Sliding Ito yung, ang ganda nito kasi covered. May cabinet yung, may cable management tayo guys. Covered pa siya. So, very neat. Yung monitor na lang yung nakikita mo. Because, you know, yung mga CCTV natin, those are all included. Pwede ka maglagay ng chair dito at maluwang pa. TV console. Or your TV rack. Ang ganda ng ating board. Accent board natin. Oh, full siya, oh. Accent board, accent board. Pwede mo itayo dito. Pwede rin naman siyang nakamount. Okay, dito tayo. Your headboard, kung mapapansin nyo, aside from your bed frame, meron kang, yun nga, yung uplighting mo dito sa yung headboard. Meron ka pang bronze mirror at meron kang parang marble design yung iyong accent wall. At buo siya. As in, yung buong side na to, lahat yan. Meron kang material. Hindi lang siya basta painted. So, nakikita nyo, yes, this is your walk-in closet. Same design. Ayan. Same design. And your master bathroom. Bakit nakalimutan ko? Pagpasok mo, nakita mo ba kung gaano siya kaluwang? So, pagpasok mo, meron kang undermount sink dito with countertop na marble design. Tapos, maluwang pa yung toilet. Tempered glass partition, shower set, stainless steel shower set, and floor-to-ceiling tiles natin na marble design. Super nice. At maluwang. Fluted panels din. Ang ganda kasi alam mo yung meron ka ng tiles, tapos may mga fluted panels ka pa. Hindi siya tinipid kasi even yung mga accent mo, sa bathroom meron ka, oh. You have your tiles and then you have your fluted panels just to add contrast dun sa kulay ng design niya para mas maging aesthetic siya. So nice. Also, syempre, ang iyong master bedroom, meron kang full body mirror here. At you have your own balcony. Yung balcony na sharing dun sa kabila kanina. Ito. And you have a view of your pool area. So, lahat ng rooms natin, meron silang balcony and lahat ng rooms natin talagang spacious. So, there you have it. I'll see you on the ground floor para sa ating recap. For our recap, this is a 2-story modern design or modern Scandinavian design corner lot home, furnished with dipping pool and located in one of the sought-after subdivisions here in Angeles City. This is a flood-free community. It has great amenities, 24-hour security service. You have your clubhouse, pool, meron ka ring badminton court, tennis court, basketball court, and sa mga nakita ko, 3 yung playground na nakita ko na mai-enjoy ng inyong mga kids. Also, yung location ng subdivision na ito, this is in the heart of Angeles City. A 20-minute drive to major business establishments, schools, malls, universities, market, and sa mismong downtown Angeles City. A 30-minute drive to Clark International Airport and a quick 10-minute drive to North Luzon Expressway. What I love about the property is yung kanyang, of course, I love corner lot na property. Ang ating lot area is 165 square meters at ang ating floor area ay 240 square meters floor area. I love the architectural design, lalo na dahil corner lot siya. Because most of corner lots, yung isang side niya, wall na yun talaga. I mean, you know, like it's a covered, it's a plain wall. But this one, dahil meron kang alley doon sa side, which you can, you know, use na for your, you know, you can play there, you can walk your dog doon sa alley. Meron kang side gate and you have your metal railing. Mas presko yung design ng ating property na corner lot. Parang yung mas na-maximize yung space ng corner na ng corner lot natin. And also yung cantilever garage natin, kasi pagpasok mo dun sa entrance gate, sobrang linis tignan. Pagpasok mo, porch, and then you can see your carport and then your garden. Kasi walang nakaharang na beam. So ang ganda nung design doon. Hindi siya pansinin, pero you'll see that pagpasok mo, there's a difference talaga pagpasok mo. And ano pa ba? Yung ating mga furniture, ang ganda. custom made, very cozy, yung color talaga nagmamatch sa bawat isa. And nagko-complement and ano pa ba. Sobrang cozy lang talaga niya. Pero hindi ka mahihirapan if you want to add more decoration or if you want to, you know, like for your living area, gusto mo siyang malakihan, you have ample space. So, very versatile pa rin siya kahit na meron na tayong mga furnitures. What else? Yung ating bedroom sa ground floor, meaning pwede ka nang tumanda sa property na to. So, it's I feel like it's a plus if you have a bedroom dun sa ating ground floor. And also, lahat ng mga bedrooms natin, spacious and very maaliwalas yung mga rooms natin. Diba? Your dipping pool, ang ganda niya, lalo na pag nando ka sa may dining area. Ang ganda ng dining area natin. Yung dining area natin parang lagi may formal dining. Diba? Kasi what you see, na nandyan, kasama na po lahat yan. Tapos, makikita mo yung view of your pool area, very relaxing. I also love yung ating family area. Gustong-gusto ko yung reclining chair. Tapos, you'll put a flat screen doon. So, ang sarap manood. At mag-relax. So, if you like what you see dito sa ating video and if you can comment down sa ating you can comment kung ano yung favorite mo dito sa property natin para makita ng ating mga, you know, mga builders, mga architect kung ano ang, mga gusto nyong makita sa isang property. Just comment lang po dito sa ating video. So if you want this property, want to see this property, pwede na po, it is already open for viewing or for tripping. Just message us on Facebook, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. That is our Facebook page. Message us on Messenger, Blueprint Properties Pampanga, Instagram, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. And for sure, nakita nyo na yung mga reels natin before pa po lumabas itong ating full video here sa YouTube. You can also follow me on Instagram, Enalalu, and TikTok, Enalalu, because you can book your trippings here. We're sharing again yung mga reels and this property. Siguro marami nang nag-view nito before nyo pa ito napanood dito because of our reels. And napopost na din kasi siya sa mga social media accounts din ng other realties and of course here in Blueprint Properties Pampanga. And of course, for your full architectural service, planning and design, we have MK Prime Orc and Properties. Ito po ang kanilang mga contact details because you know, if you need a home, you also need to get an architect. Again, MK Prime Orc and Properties. And also special shout out po to Fonz family po sa Star Maker. And kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house is.